Hello guys, it's Kyle Leary here, and today's now Friday, January 7th, 2022, and it's 12:45 at night, and I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys that we're getting a winter storm tonight, but it's mostly an overnight thing. It's supposed to snow like all night into the morning. Like, it's supposed to snow till like 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And it's also a nor'easter, but it's like very little. Because we're also supposed to get like 30-mile-per-hour winds. And like 3 to 6 inches of snow. It's also like been very cold out. Like Monday and Tuesday it was cold. Then Wednesday it was 50 degrees. And then yesterday, Thursday, it was cold. And then next week it's supposed to get cold again. Tuesday it's only gonna be 25 degrees. That's it. And then at night it's gonna be like 10 degrees, which is really cold. They also closed my school because of the snow. I mean, I didn't think they were gonna close my school because 3 to 6 inches of snow is not even a foot. I'm guessing because the roads may be bad. I don't know, I just didn't think they would close my school. Because normally if it's like a foot or two, then they close my school. But today I have a snow day. But like if my school is closed again for snow, then it's a remote day. Then I have to do school on the computer. I mean, that's how it was last year. The second time when it's closed from snow, then it's a remote day. But the first time it's just a snow day. But I'm hoping this is the only snow day I have, so that way I don't have to do remote learning. I mean, I'm over that. I'm done with this remote stuff. The only bad thing I don't like about the snow is when they close school, because then I lose vacation days. But, like, if we do remote on the snow days, then I don't think I'll lose vacation days. I mean, I think when it snows, I think it's pretty and all, but I'm not really into the snow anymore, like I was when I was younger. I'm not really into winter anymore. Not really a fan of the cold. I've grown out of the snow. The only thing I do when it snows now is shovel. I don't play in the snow anymore because I'm older now. So that's it. Make sure to subscribe for more, and bye.